Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to off the release on this Yamaha Psr SX 600. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button down there. So guys, I'm going to put on the keyboard now. Let's put it on. You can see it's powering up. Okay, SS 600. So normally it's concert ground. So what I'm going to show you guys how to make the keyboard sound more nice during worship. So you can see the grand piano, the concert ground is sounding normal. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on enter. Just click on enter, or you can just exit it. Let me make it more easy. Click on your right one. You see that it's showing concert ground. What you will do, you will click on this place, voice set. So you have to click here. Now you are about to set the concert ground. Now then you will use this tab. You move it. You can see it's showing controller. You move it to sound. Now here it's showing release. This is where you off the release for this Yamaha Psr SX 600. So all you have to do is take it down to -64. Now you can see that the keyboard is sounding dry, like there's no release. So when you apply your pedal, you guys are seeing it. So whenever you want to run scale, you see that it will be more faster. So this is how to off the release, and it makes the grand piano sound nice. So if you want to save it, you can just click save here. Then you give it your own name. You can see I've already saved some of mine. You can see semi-sounds too. So you can save it with whatever name you want to save it with. Let's save it with A for this for the purpose of this video. So I've saved it with A. So click on exit. You can see that my voice is showing A. So whenever you want to use this voice you just set, I will show you how to find it. So I will put off the keyboard again so that you know how to look for the voice which you've already set. So let me put it on now. You can see it's powering up. So you just go to your right one. You see this place, user, then move the tab. You can see the voice here, A. Just click on enter. It will be sounding like the way you did it, the way you reduce the release. You don't have to set the release again. Now, so another cool thing to do with this voicing is to merge it with analog pad. You click on your right tool, come to synth pad and look for analog pad, fix it, then go to your balance. You just make it 100 to 80. Now when you apply it, you can see the way it's sounding. Or if you don't like, if you are not the kind of keyboardist that like too much pad, you can just make the pad 70. You can see the way it's sounding mature. It's like similar to motif, just like that. So that's how to off release on this Yamaha Psr SX 600 and how to make it sound nice for worship, as in latest voicing. This one, it's one of the latest voicing that's on board now.